Ever found yourself pondering the necessity of wheel spacers when upgrading your wheels? Well, stick around because we're about to delve into the fascinating world of wheel spacers. Upgrading to aftermarket wheels can be a game changer, enhancing not only the aesthetic appeal of your vehicle but also its performance. But what happens when there's a gap between your swanky new wheels and the fender? Recustomizing the wheels can be an expensive affair. This is where wheel spacers swoop in to save the day, providing an affordable and effective solution. So what are wheel spacers? Essentially, they serve two primary functions. They enhance the stance of the wheels and tires and prevent contact with suspension parts like the upper control arms. Choosing the right wheel spacer is crucial, and the size of the spacer is arguably the most important factor. The size dictates the installation effect, and for the perfect fit, you'll have to measure the distance between the fenders and tires. Companies such as BONOSS offer a wide array of sizes ranging from 15mm to 50mm, and even provide customized solutions. The next factor to consider is the material. Wheel spacers are typically made from aluminum alloy or steel. BONOSS, for instance, uses high-quality forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum, known for their excellent corrosion resistance, wear resistance, and overall durability. Lastly, you should look at whether the spacers are hub-centric. This ensures constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, resulting in a smoother and more reliable ride. BONOSS spacers, designed with multi-stage hub-centric rings, offer a precision fit, ensuring the spacer can handle more weight and stress. Companies like BONOSS also add features like active cooling grooves, knurling surfaces, and disassembly notches to their wheel spacers. These enhancements improve cooling efficiency, reduce brake thermal decay, and increase overall road safety. In summary, when choosing the right wheel spacers for your upgraded wheels, remember to consider the size, material, and whether they're hub-centric. Keep these factors in mind, and you'll be well on your way to achieving the best performance from your aftermarket wheels. So ready to take your ride to the next level?